I saw a little clip on social media of people asking Allah, oh Allah, grant me a G-Wagon and grant me a pink bag and grant me something else. Have you seen that? I want to tell you, never ever make a mockery of dua. That's what I want to say. As much as people may have laughed, as much as they might have made a serious dua, for me, it cannot have been serious when you are videoing it, laughing about it and so on. Dua is one of the highest and greatest acts of worship. I would never have said this if it was not a serious matter. Don't make a mockery of dua, because then when you're asking Allah serious things, subhanallah, what do you expect? I don't want people to come and make a laughter about something that's a massive act of worship. And people might say, Sheikh, you're taking it too seriously. It's just a joke. Trust me, I have better jokes than that. But they're not mocking at Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Don't I have better jokes, guys? Come on, come on. Should I say one? I'm fasting, so I'd rather spend the time not saying one. Come back in December, light upon light, and I guarantee you, inshallah, if I'm there, we give you one, right? And by the way, I know it's April. That wasn't an April Fool's. May Allah grant us ease. So the point I'm raising is, yes, it's okay to ask Allah for whatever you want. No problem, mashallah, you ask. But don't make a mockery of it. Do you get my point? May Allah Almighty give those sisters better than what they were asking. Is that a fair dua? May Allah give them better than what they were asking, and may we believe, inshallah, their intentions were good. Nonetheless, the lesson is for all of us. Don't make a mockery of things.